Okay. Hi, Liam. Hi, Liam. This is Liam's new trick on how to climb the stairs. Stand behind him. Okay, Liam. Okay, Liam, you're doing good. Keep going, buddy. Look at those little legs go. Look at those little legs go. Wow. He just started walking, going up the stairs this morning, so he's got this thing down pat.
Just take this side, don't take me.
Okay, Liam, try open the door now. Open up a door.
So Davey said he changed the propane pan. I mean,
Oh, he did? Okay, good.
he didn't know which one he was going to wake you up. I said, can you tell which one is empty? You know, you can tell which one is empty.
The barbecue. Okay, here's the weekend project. Install all of these door latches that are supposedly childproof. Now, they don't open anymore. So we'll see if Liam likes those. Okay, Liam.
So excited.
We got the new door latches. Okay, Liam. Go.
Why can't I open it?
Go for it. My new latches are working. My new latches are working. Okay, Liam. Try to open the door. Any door? No, 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 no. Come on, I put new latches on there. Those are my new latches. Liam. All right. So this is my new weekend project. You can see we installed all these new latches on all the cupboard doors. And now here's Liam showing that they work.